Today we have to see laboratory facilities for plant tissue culture. When a cell is grown into a whole plant in the culture medium under aseptic condition, some of the facilities are required to culture a cell into a whole plant. There are four facilities needed for plant tissue culture. One is washing facility. Second one is culture medium preparation room facilities. Third one is transfer area sterile room, that is explant transfer area sterile room. Third one. Fourth one, culture facilities. In order to culture the cell, some of the facilities are necessary, collectively called culture facilities. We will see one by one. Washing facilities consists of four steps. One is washing facility. In the washing facility, water tap is required. Water tap should be in the room in order to wash the glass vessel, glassware, test tube, conical flask, petri plates. What are the vessels? Glass vessels are used for plant tissue culture, should be washed thoroughly. First one is to wash glassware, glass vessels like test tube or conical flask or petri plates, etc. These things, the glassware, glass vessels which are going to use for the plant tissue culture should be washed thoroughly with water. Second one, oven should be provided in order to dry the glass vessels. So that is about washing facility. Water necessary in order to wash the glass vessel with water. Second one is in the oven, the wet glass vessels should be dried properly. So this is washing facility. The second one is culture medium preparation room. In the culture medium preparation room, the culture medium should be prepared and that should be sterilized, and the chemicals which are used for preparing culture medium should be weighed properly with the electric balance, and the pH of the room should be maintained properly. So three things, three items are necessary in the culture medium preparation room. One is the autoclave. Number two, the electric balance. Number three, pH meter. The autoclave is to sterilize. If this is for sterilization. With the help of autoclave, we can sterilize the culture medium. Sterilization is removal of microbes in the culture medium. When the microorganisms are killed in the culture medium, that process is called sterilization. Sterilization is a process of get rid of microbes from a particular place. That is sterilization. The electric balance, in order to measure the chemical substance, in order to weigh that is for chemical, that is electrical balance. pH meter, with the help of pH meter, we can measure the pH of that particular room, particular place. That is pH meter. That's about culture medium preparation room. In the culture medium preparation room, 3 items should be provided. One is autoclave, second one is electric balance, third one is pH meter. Then now we will see the third one, third facility. Explant, transfer, explant, transfer, sterile route. Explant, transfer, sterile route. The explant, transfer, area, sterile room. Also you can see explant, transfer area, sterile room. Here, how to transfer the explant into the culture medium? The transfer of explant into the culture medium should be in the aseptic condition. That should not be infected with the microbes, so that the sterilization is followed in order to transfer the explant into the culture medium. Here, 2 items are used. One is laminar airflow chamber. This is used to transfer the explant in the aseptic condition. That is laminar airflow chamber. Then second one is positive pressure ventilation unit. Or positive pressure ventilation unit, or high efficiency pressure air filter. High efficiency particulate air filter, generally called HEPF. High efficiency particulate air filter. Particulate air filter. So that is in order to maintain the aseptic condition. Laminar airflow chamber is used to transfer the explant into the culture medium. This positive pressure ventilation unit will give aseptic condition for the transfer of explant. So that is the fourth one. Culture facility. How to culture? For culturing, explant should be taken. Culture medium is necessary. Vessels are necessary. Glass vessels are necessary. And with these all facilities, explant will be cultured. The explant is inoculated in the culture facility. First one, explant should be inoculated in 22 degrees C to 28 degrees C. Incubation of explant is this the incubation period in the test tube. The explant should be incubated or inoculated into the culture medium in 22 minus 28 degrees C. Illumination of light is second one. Illumination of light is 2400 lux. The lux is the unit of measurement of light. Third one is photo period. Is about 8 to 16 hours of light. And fourth one is relative humidity is about 60%. So these are all the conditions should be provided for culturing the explant. That is collectively called culture facility. First one, explant should be inoculated in 22 to 28 degrees C. The explant is illuminated with the light of 2400 lux, and there should be provided photo period of 8 to 16 hours of light. Photo period means for the explant, an amount of light is necessary. That required light is between 8 to 16 hours of light that should be supplied. Then relative humidity is about 60%. If all the condition is provided, when all the conditions are provided, then the explant will multiply, device gives rise to callus. From the callus, explant will give rise to callus. Callus will give rise to embryo. Embryo will produces plantlets. From the plantlets, the whole plant will be reduced. This is the laboratory facilities in plant tissue culture.